Okay, so we'll have two buildings like so. Okay, so let me just make the base here. Okay, so then we have two buildings. Right, from the top of the shorter building, right, the angle of elevation. So from the horizontal here, the angle of elevation upwards to the taller building is 48 degrees. This is 48 degrees. And the angle of depression to the bottom of the taller building, so the bottom of this taller building, is going to be 34 degrees. So we want to find the height of the two buildings then, right? And let's see how we can do this, right? We also know that the buildings are 15 meters apart. So this is 15 meters, okay? Now, let's find this, right? This is height 1, and then the height of the other building is height 2. We can find h1 very easily, right? This is 15 meters, right? And I know that this is going to be a right angle. So this angle here is going to be 90 minus 34. So that's going to be 56 degrees. So from this angle, this is the opposite, right? And this is the adjacent. So tangent of 56 of this right angle triangle is going to be the opposite over the adjacent. Okay, so this time I need to cross multiply. So I get h1 times tan 56 is equal to 15. So if I divide both sides by tan of 56, I get this. Okay, so you'll get approximately 10.1 meters tall. Okay, now the height 2 is going to be height 1 plus this small distance. Let's call this x, right? So let's see if we can find out what x is. If this is 15 meters, this is also 15 meters, right? So then here I have the opposite and adjacent side. So tangent of 48 of this right angle triangle is going to be the opposite over the adjacent. So multiplying both sides by 15, you can isolate for, right? You can isolate for, whoops, the x here. So then you get approximately 16.7 meters. So then the second building is going to be 10.1 plus 16.7 meters tall. So that's going to be then 26.8 meters tall.